Happy fucking day today, guys. I've got a wheel seal. Another technician had already replaced the seal on it, installed the hub. But he was saying to replace the pads, replace the brake chamber and the slack adjuster on this axle, and then also found on this axle that the wheel seal is leaking too. So this is a rotator truck, so brand fucking new too, pretty nice. So we're gonna get in here and get at it. So I'm getting it all cleaned up right now. I don't know if y'all can even fucking see that, but getting the brake pads cleaned up. Some people say you're supposed to replace the brake pads. I don't really see the necessity to do that this time. They ain't that bad. They're not too oil soaked, so. Alright, back to what I was saying. We got this wheel seal's already replaced. This one we still got to replace. We've got this brake chamber. I got the top nut loose on it, so we're gonna pull the line off of it, and then pull the lines off of it. Once we get the lines off, then we can get the bottom bolt off, and then get the fucking slack adjuster off in here. So there's one nut. It's a 19. I think the other one's a 21, maybe a 22. 22 it is. Come on, motherfucker. I'm gonna move y'all down here. I feel like I'm talking to myself. Wait, I am. That's fucking sharp. Now I don't know exactly why I'm replacing the brake chamber. I guess somebody else had fucked it up and left it on me to do. So yay! It's always fun shit, right? Got that out the way. Put the 22 back up here. We gotta get that clevis pin out. And we'll have to pull the snap ring so we can get this off of there. The adjuster's broke. It's an automatic slack adjuster. And she's fucked up. She's fucked up. Alright, come on, motherfucker. Shit. There we go. Alright, pin
is out. Now I can get that bottom 24 off of there. Might be able to get my impact gun on there. Would be totally cool if I could. Once I get this out of my way, then we'll get the slack adjuster off. Fuck out of there. Oh, motherfucker. Somebody put a frame right there. Alright. Alright, where's my fucking snap ring blars? Alright. I think these will fit. Hope they'll fit. Like a fucking glove. Y'all just stay right there. Whew. That sucks. Fucking grease.
So this is where the auto adjuster would come out, and as you hit the brakes, it automatically adjusts the slack adjuster in here, so you don't have to go through and fucking manually adjust it every time. Oh, I love grease. I love grease in the morning. Alright, I get the fucking slack adjuster, the new one. This is our new one. Oh, it doesn't have that. Oh, this is the auto part. Okay. Never mind.
I thought it was a dual pin slack adjuster, but it's not. So, let's get this motherfucker put on here. Put the fucking washers out there, didn't I? Hot damn. Fuck. Stupid motherfucker.
Damn, I need to get my promotion pad out. These rocks are fucking chewing me up.
I'm gonna grab that real quick. Okay. Oh, yeah. right at the fucking bend. So far. Howdy.
How you doing? You having fun yet?
Start. Alright guys, I had to cut recording the owner, or I don't know if he's the owner. The gentleman came over here, so didn't want to put him on camera. Didn't want to ask him. So we're gonna get this baby tightened up. I got the slack adjuster mounted. I gotta get the nut tightened up. And then be done with this one. We'll put the tires on it, let her roll. Drums and tires, I guess. Now we gotta put the fittings in, don't we? We're probably gonna have to reclock this some bitch too. Damn it. Let me get this fucking thing tightened. And then we'll worry about that. Do what you do. Click. Fucking torque to spec. Bitch. Oh, that's a 26, ain't it? Yep. Get a bigger wrench. If I'm right. No, that's 24 max. Get a bigger wrench. Get this fucking cage and bolt tight. Then we'll get the line swapped over. Get this little guy tightened up. Get it greased. Ow. Shit. And it's a 27. Shit, this is the other brake chamber we're supposed to replace. How in the fuck do you do that? fucking. God damn. I gotta get my fat ass out.
We'll get this baby tightened up. The air fittings changed over.
Y'all stay right there for a minute. Okay.
I'm gonna put y'all on the back. I'll bring y'all back in a minute. Get these fittings pulled out. Alright. Come on, motherfucker. Ah, there we go. Yeah, buddy. Out. Get this one out. Oh, come on. Fuck. So, big ones for service, little ones for park. Got it. Alright. Let's go get these motherfuckers put in the new one. And we gotta reclock it. So the one that's on there right now has the service and park. We need to turn it to where the service is here and the park is there. So I have to unscrew this one, which is the okay one to unscrew. Turn it a little bit. This one, they made it to where you can't take the clamp off because it's a fucking firecracker. The shit fucking flies. Motherfuckers die. So yeah, these two fittings need to be over here. So let's get a wrench. And some Teflon tape. Ugh. Tighten this motherfucker up first. Jeans. Oh, geez. Couple extra pounds. Never be. My idea of heaven's chasing whitetail bucks. Ah, come on. Yeah, the summer power view. Come on, y'all. I'm trying to film here. I'm making all that noise and stuff. Don't tread on me. Take that to the grave.
Fucking wrong way, idiot. Come on, you motherfucker. What the fuck is fucking going on here? She moved. That's about right. Put her there. See if I can get this to fucking turn a little bit. Come on. This isn't too bad. Could be worse. grabbing the fucking socket and the ratchet. Metric leap. 13. Extension. 14. Fucking fucker. Something heavier. That one's tight. That one's tight. Now put some Teflon and some fittings. This one, service brake. Park brake. Wait, this one's park brake. This one's service brake. Oh, motherfucker. What are y'all doing? Loud motherfuckers. Nobody ate.
ready to go the fuck home. I guess the tech that was working on this also got me stuck with the L9 head gasket and front gear housing, oil pan. So excited about those. I prefer to be by myself. Oh, I don't know where my fucking 22 went. Ow, goddamn. Not again. It's 20. It's definitely taking. This one wasn't 19. Alright, got everything buttoned up in here. My wrenches together. And then put the drum on, well, start it up, release the spark brake, get the drum put on it, get the brake adjusted, and then we'll get the tires on, get the tires pulled off the other one. Pretty close to done after that. Well, get the wheel seal on the other one. I'm gonna find the fucking torque spec somewhere for it. Down and out, down and out, down and out, down and out. I'll stay right there for a minute. Put you back on the truck. From the news. Shit, I gotta get these holes fucking cleaned out on the fucking brake pads. I'm gonna do that shit and then I'll bring y'all back. I don't fucking want to record everything here.
kind of ridiculous. Yeah, that one cleaned out. Alright, so I got it all slapped together. I was looking up the torque specs, I found it online. The initial torque is 200 foot-pounds while rotating the hub. And then you back it off. How far? Back it off 1 full turn. And then you retighten the nuts at 50 foot-pounds. Then you put the lock washer on. And I'll show you. But, so this one torques to 200. Then you back it off 1 full turn. Back the inner nut off exactly 1/4 turn, and then put the lock washer thingy on there. This motherfucker's already dead. Son of a bitch. Fucking piece of shit. Am I up in Well, let me get these motherfuckers plugged in. Go back out there, back it off 1/4 fucking turn, and then the outer nut says it torques to 350. Wish the truck you knew drive was mine, just like you know it's supposed to be. That's where it's supposed to be. Why is it 180 off? When I originally took it off, this 547 was up here. This was here. Works. I don't fucking like that. feel like that's gonna let that inner race fucking spin. That don't make no fucking sense. Let me go read this shit one more time before I put it together. For it to not have any load on it whatsoever. It just... So, tighten the inner nut to 200 foot-pounds while rotating the wheel. Done. Back the nut off, one full turn. Rotate the wheel hub. Retighten the inner nut to 50 foot-pounds. Done. Back the inner nut off exactly 1/4 turn. Fuck. I don't like the whole back the fucking nut off thing. It's fucking irritating. Ah shit, I gotta find the other socket. Bring it back in a minute. Alright, we'll get 3/4 right. This torque's look at it. Fuck. Whew. That wasn't bad at all. Now we can put the axle shaft in. And then get those torqued up. Get the drum put on, get the hub put on, or wheels put on. And then we got a brake chamber to do on the other side, so yeah, stay tuned. So, I've got the axle seal put on. Get the axle installed, and we'll find a way to get some oil in the hub. And be closer to done. Once we get that on, we can put the drum on, get the wheels mounted up. Which we're gonna have to release a park brake because that motherfuckers can. So we'll grab a 24 for this motherfucker. Get this set. Torque the wheels. I think these wheels torque at 500. Get them torqued up. I don't know if I have enough battery power for it, but we'll get it torqued up. Then we got that brake chamber over there to fucking change out.
probably need to clean out the inside of the wheel. The inside of the inside wheel.
Same old song, I can feel it in my head. I've been it wrong. When the bottle, then I come right home. Saying that I'm done, but the sad truth, I know I'm not. That I took another shot to the dome. I've been through hell and I love it. Trying to rise above it. Take a look inside the mirror, can't help but be disgusted. I'm gone.
Let's get the fuck back over here. This fucking truck is huge. Fucking 100-ton. 100-ton fucking. Okay. Now we'll go inside and release the park brake. Hopefully it ain't locked up. Look at the size of this motherfucker though. Look, I'm gonna get over here so you can see it. So that's a regular semi. That's my service truck. This thing is fucking ginormous. Look, there's another record right next to it. Kind of give you an idea. Jesus, 100-ton. M100. That's fucking badass. This is a smaller rotator. 75, I guess. Look at the steps to get in this motherfucker. Shit, first step is as high as my fucking bumper. Brand fucking new. Make sure it's neutral. It's got the same cab mine has. Except for, I think mine goes up there. I don't know. That's about right. Mine used to have that little partition back there. But mine has a battery box there. I think this, yeah, window's about the same size. I wish mine was a 2-window. That'd be kick-ass. Alright, park brake is released, baby. The size of these fucking outriggers. The whole fucking ass drops. Jesus. God damn. Look at the lights on this motherfucker. Oh, that's sexy. That's fucking sexy.
Yep.
Fucking tool. Fuck.
I forgot my promotion head. Fuck.
Oh, god damn it, that hurt. Alright, this battery's about to die, but I got the brakes backed off all the way so I can get the drum on. I've got 2 lug nuts on here so I can go ahead and adjust the brakes on the slack adjuster. Once I get this done, I'll take these 2 nuts off, put the tires back on, and then get started on the brake can over there, get that changed out, and then get this brake adjusted here. I think that's it for now. We are going to be replacing the brake pads, but OEM brake pads are on back order. You have to order them directly from the factory for this particular setup. So it'll probably be a couple of weeks before we get it, and it'll probably be the first of the year before I come back out here and put them on. So, but they can run the truck in the meantime. It's still going to have braking power. It's just going to have oil soaked, I guess you could say, oil soaked shoes. So, I'm going to go ahead and put this thing on the charger and get ready to be done for today. I'm ready to fucking go home. I got a headache. Y'all have a good one. God bless. Well, guys, we got her finished, buttoned up. Now, whenever the brake pads, brake shoes come in, get that finished up too. It'll be after the new year, so I ain't too fucking worried about it. I had to get out of the customer's parking lot so that they can close their fucking gate. But I'm about to go home. Fucking tired. It's 7 o'clock. Now, I know some of you motherfuckers work later, but not this motherfucker. Y'all have a good one.